Nunca ha sido fácil llegar al puesto que tengo. Solo porque
Por up. Si me voy un poco manco porque pego COVID. That shit ain't no joke. Pero acá andamos. Update on Pantoja's truck. We're gonna put the digital gauges on. And today's, I actually feel fucking pretty good. So, gotta get this money. Gotta put out these videos. So let me bring everything out. And right now, I'm at my boy shop. Right here. They're trying to finish this truck. Like I said, that's Pantoja's. And we're gonna get these gauges wired up from so he could get al 100. So let me bring everything down and I'll show you guys what I'm working with. Oh, there we go. Ya le quité las llantas. Gonna have to fix that wiring mess and how they wired that shit. Ahorita lo quito so I can show you guys. And you never want to have your airline hose on the inside where the tire can hit it. You always want to have it on the other side. So I'm gonna have to fix all that, fix all this shit right here. Other than that, yeah, they're doing like están haciendo, ¿qué no le están haciendo de esta puta? Ya le hicieron una de estas. This is the T that I'm gonna put on. These are the pressure switches that he needs. This is the harness, digital gauges. So let me jack up the back so I could remove the pressure switch on this. And then put my jack stand back on there. And then try to take off all the air because he doesn't have a drain cock on it. So then I could remove that mess right there and put it exactly how I want it. So let me do that. Y ahorita, when I start taking those off, I'll keep you guys updated once I put the jack stand and remove that and start removing this line. Como no trae un drain cock, para poder sacar el aire de la bolsa. It's in probably. Come on. Oh, that's it. Could drain the fucking tank completely. The air has to go somewhere so the valve's letting it go in. So as long as I'm pushing this button, here you go. We unpressurized the tanks. So now it's safe to say I can remove that bracket. So let me remove that mess right there. And then I'll show you guys how I'm gonna do it. Acá ya assemble. Let me do that real quick, and I'll show you guys right now. A ver si me pueden ver ahí ver lo que estoy haciendo. Por lo mientras, I'll put it in a tight black. For the meantime, remove this shit. That shit was loose. guess I gotta remove the whole thing. All right. So, let me figure out how this is gonna go, and then let me get everything. You're gonna come up with, since this is half inch, and about a ½ inch T. You need a 3/8. You need a reducer 1/2 inch to 3/8 to put this one together. Remember, always want to put that towards where the arrow is going. This is pickup, this is dump. This is our pressure switch right now that I'm putting up. Same here. And then he's not going to be able to use this hose no more. It's not going to reach. So I'm just going to run to the parts store, either to True Value or Home Depot, to get those fittings that I need. And then I'm going to need 1/2 inch push-in on this side, 1/2 inch push-in on this side, with some 1/2 inch line. And then so in total it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. So 8 push-ins that I need with airline hose. So let me run to the store and see if I could get this either done today or tomorrow. Si no, de todos modos mañana está bien. I fucking forgot my wallet with me. And let me run to the punch store and I'll assemble this, and then I'll show you guys when it's done. Vine de la puta tienda, agarré lo que ocupo. So let me assemble, and then I hope I have all the fittings I need to get this shit done today. So, pues like I said, tomorrow. So for now, agarramos un 1/2 inch to 3/8 reducer to finish that one. Same thing here. And then these 90s are to convert that one para que mandamos la línea por el otro lado. Let me pre-assemble them, and then I'll... So like always, me atraso, pero ya took his line, put it over there, now it's plain there. Put the 90, it's all over there. Put both of the valves there. Random out of the way. Shee, güero. Pressure testing it right now. Run the wires. We're done. Yeah, el compa Jesus building this panel so we can fucking put the gauge. Show me the gauge can go. Yeah, once it's loomed up, fucking maiden is the work he gets. Ya saben. Tommy, cool? Tell them where you're at. What's that? You want to give your address?
521 Industrial Drive, Livingston, California.
And all your audio needs. Sheesh. Yeah. Now I gotta ram those fucking wires where I need to go. Que son esos allí. And then that's your wrap. So yeah, if you need any audio work, come to the shop. Evanston. Yeah. Let me wrap this shit up. You guys stop.
All right, so I'm here finishing up Fernando's what was it, his gauge install. pretty much for the air pressure for the front bags. And I got it working. He ran all the wiring, and now I just gotta do power and ground to it, and this is what it's looking like. All right, so aquí ya quedó. Ahí está el air pressure gauge. Aquí puse su epicenter and his EQ. Y ahí está aire. Oh. There it is. Ahí quedó.
Loyalty is what we live and die by, like before money, before anything. Like it's loyalty first, because love really don't mean jack. See, love is just a feeling. You can love somebody, still stab them in their back. It don't really take much to love. You can love somebody just by being attached. See, loyalty is an action. You can love or hate me and still have my back. Loyalty is what